In my earlier video, you learned how you can save each worksheet as separate PDF file. In case if you have not seen that video, I have provided the link of the same in the description box below. In similar line, in this video, you will learn how you can save entire workbook as a single PDF file. That is, all worksheets arranged one below the other in single PDF file by writing a VBA macro code. I will also explain you the code line by line, so stay tuned. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. This is our sample workbook which has 5 worksheets here. This is the same workbook which we had used in our previous tutorial for saving each worksheet as separate PDF file. Now we will use the same file to save our entire workbook as a single PDF. Again we will save this workbook in demo folder in my D drive. In order to do this, we will write a small VBA macro code. So let's open our VBA editor by pressing Alt F11. In this window, we will write our code. Since I have the code already copied in clipboard, I will just paste it here, which will help us in reducing the video length. This is the macro code that will do our job. I have also provided this code in the description box below. Now let us understand this code line by line. The first line here is just a comment for us to better understand what our macro is supposed to do. Then we have started our macro with name save workbook as PDF. You can give any name you prefer to. In next line, we have declared variable current file as string to store file name, which we will do in the next line. Here we have stored the file name for our PDF file. This has two parts to it. The first part is the name of the file. What we have done here, we took the file name of this workbook, which for obvious reasons comes along with the extension. And the second part is, we then replace the extension of our this workbook with PDF. In my case, it is XLSM. Just change this according to the extension of your file. Now this line saves the file as PDF. This line has 4 parts which needs to be taken care of. The first part directs this workbook to export as fixed format. This gives instruction to Excel that we are trying to save the file. In the second part, we have informed the type of file we need to export, that is Excel type PDF. The third part holds the location of the file. So in my case, I have written it as d:/demo/. And the fourth piece of information is the name of file, that is the file name which we have stored in current file variable in the above line. So once our workbook is saved, we want a confirmation from the code that our job is done. So this line gives us a pop-up message box with message workbook saved successfully. And finally, we close our function with end sum. Now since we are done with our code, let's close this VBA editor and return back to our Excel sheet to test our macro code. To run our code, we need to press Alt F8. This will open the macro dialog box. You can see our macro code name here is available. Okay, before saving this workbook as PDF, have a look at the folder. This is empty right now. Now let us run our macro to save our workbook. Just select the name and press run. This will take some time depending upon the number of sheets and data in it. And we got our message saying workbook saved successfully. We'll just click OK on this message and we will go to our demo folder to check our PDF. Great, we have our workbook saved as PDF. Let us open our PDF and check whether right data is there in the workbook or not. All the sheets are saved with the data in the worksheets as expected. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.